Hello my sweet friends, good morning and welcome to a brand new video. Today I am excited to be sharing with you some Dollar Tree Easter and spring DIY decor ideas. I'm actually waiting to go in Dollar Tree right now. They have not opened yet and there is a couple things I need to grab. I don't know if I got enough of them last time in order to do an edible spring or Easter craft, and this one's gonna be really fun to do with the kids. It's gonna be a cute Easter DIY little craft idea and decor idea for spring and Easter. So we already stopped by Home Depot this morning. I needed to run in and get 2 planters and some of the cactus, palm, citrus potting soil, and I was so excited because they actually had some marked down. They were like raised bed, like garden soil, I guess, that had been kind of damaged and they were half off. Yeah, so that was a good deal. Save a couple dollars there because I've definitely been buying a lot of soil this year, trying to do so much gardening. I'm super excited to get home later this afternoon and pot my 2 little new citrus trees. Nothing makes me feel like spring is coming like getting excited for potting an orange tree, right? Super excited anyway for spring to be coming, and leave me a little flower emoji down below if you are looking forward to spring as much as I am. And let's go ahead and get started with these Dollar Tree Easter DIY decor ideas. So first things first, I wanted to bring you guys through Dollar Tree with me. They have so many things for Easter. They have lots of cute little home decor signs and craft supplies, but honestly, I think what I'm most impressed with is the selection of items that you can find for kids' Easter basket ideas. If you're doing any Easter baskets, definitely consider checking Dollar Tree. I just feel like they had a really great selection this year. So I found these mold and play. I guess it's kind of like a Play-Doh with the Encanto figures. That's cool. Luisa, Isabella, Mirabelle. And lots of cool fun stuff. They had some cute kitchen towels as well as spring gardening supplies. So that is always exciting to find. For me, that's my favorite. But yeah, lots of cute fun things for kids' Easter baskets. All right, let's go ahead and jump into our Easter DIY decor pieces now. For the first one, I'm taking some of these styrofoam balls. I have 3 different sizes here, and I'm taking a large, medium, and small, or basically a large and a small and 2 medium. So we're going to need a few toothpicks to do this. You could use some hot glue on low heat if you want to, but personally, I'm going with toothpicks, and it worked out amazing. So that is my recommendation. I used 1 toothpick to connect a large and a medium styrofoam ball, and then also to connect a medium and a small. And then I also had one of these styrofoam discs. They come in a pack, 2 in a pack at Dollar Tree, and I used 2 more toothpicks in order to connect both of our little styrofoam characters here on top of that disc. Let me know down below. These are going to be something for Easter. Let me know what you think they look like or what you think I'm going to make out of them. Let me know down below in the comments. This is a chalk paint in the color Milk Jug, and it just gave a nice creamy buff beige color. These come on a little pick in Dollar Tree. You get 2 of them on a pack, and sad to say, we're going to only be using the ears off of these for this project. So you're able to actually just pull the ears out, and then I kind of cut off the bottom a little bit, and then so I could glue it neatly to the tops of our styrofoam characters. And I'm pretty sure you're getting a good idea now that we are making 2 sweet, adorable little bunnies. So I decorated their faces with some puffy fabric paint. So basically make like an upside down triangle for the nose. It works out adorably. I think it came out super cute. And then glue on just a little cotton ball for the tails. And then I'm gonna set these down in the basket. You could put in any kind of like Easter basket grass filler. I actually have plenty of leftover straw from my gardening and stuff like that over the winter, so I'm just gonna put some leftover hay or straw down in the basket around them, and then we're gonna add a bow on the front. You can add some carrots. Dollar Tree has smaller and larger ones. So super cute and adorable, and I just think this is adorable for some Easter decor, and I have it sitting here on my bookshelf. So moving on for the next one now, I found this wreath frame in Dollar Tree, which is basically a wreath frame that has 2 wire ears attached to it. I picked up a medium-size wreath frame here and also some ribbon. So I actually didn't have any more of the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon left. They do sell it though, so keep an eye out in Dollar Tree. However, if you can't find it, I found this beautiful, it looks kind of like burlap, although it's softer than burlap would be. I found this beautiful ribbon in Michael's, and I am going to use this here to wrap all the way around the bunny's head and then around the other wreath as well for the body. Now, I left the ears plain, and for those, I thought about wrapping them in twine, and I think that that would look amazing, but I personally did not have the patience to wrap both of these ears with that tiny little twine that Dollar Tree carries. So for me, I decided to just take this white cotton rope and then glue that around the ears, and I think it turned out cute. I actually tucked the end with a little bit of hot glue in between those layers of the ribbon, so it just gave it a lot more of a seamless look. I think that looks a lot better like this. It was, let me tell you, way faster and easier than completely wrapping the ears, but by all means, if you've got the patience for that, I do think it would look even more complete and amazing. Totally up to you. So once I wrapped the second wreath frame here for the bottom, I was going to attach them together, and so I glued the head portion onto the back of this larger wreath frame. And now we're going to do a tail, and for that I found one of these, I think it's like either a mop head or it's something for cleaning off the car. I don't know. If you know what it is, let me know down below, but I found this, I think it was near the auto section, although it looks like it's for cleaning, so I'm not entirely sure, but either way, it is white, fluffy, and soft, and I cut it in half and kind of tucked the ends in underneath with hot glue and shaped basically a ball shape out of this to look like an adorable fluffy bunny tail, and I think it's so cute. But I felt like we needed a little bit of color, and I didn't want to wrap the neck of the bunny with a bow. I wanted to keep it a little more simple and neutral, so I took 2 of these little thistle stems from Target, and I had these left over, so I cut them and glued them in there on the back of the bunny's head there. And this way, from the front, the bunny's ears are basically these thistle stems. I don't know if it's kind of weird, but I thought it looked really very natural and very whimsical, just kind of very earthy and organic, I guess would be a good word to describe it. So love how this one turned out. We made a little hanger just out of a little pipe cleaner piece, and I have this out hanging on the front door. So this next DIY here is super cute. I had so much fun actually putting this together, and my daughter couldn't wait to make these with her friends as well. So what we ended up doing was taking these wafer cookies from Dollar Tree, and by the way, you can make this entirely from Dollar Tree. I found so many cute things. I am taking just the regular vanilla wafers, but Dollar Tree also has some chocolate wafers. They also have strawberry wafers if you want pink ones, so you could just have so much fun with this. And I found a bottle of this white icing that I used to connect them all. You'll want to let like your walls dry before you really put the roof on and start decorating, kind of like doing a gingerbread house. And if you weren't going to eat this, or you just wanted to get it done quickly, you could also use a hot glue gun to put this together and decorate it with some jelly beans, which Dollar Tree has like all kinds of like basic jelly beans, but Dollar Tree also had some fun flavors and colors for jelly beans, like the the Starburst jelly beans as well as the Fruit Loop jelly beans, which had some fun colors in there as well. For the inside of the house, I used a little bit of food coloring and some shredded coconut to make grass. Now, the food coloring I bought actually didn't have green, so I kind of mixed their golden yellow one along with this teal color, and we actually came out with this most beautiful kind of deep forest green for the grass. It's so pretty, actually. I really like how it turned out. So that's super cute. And then you can put one of the little yellow chicks or peeps, or like I'm doing, I added a little chocolate bunny in here. Very adorable and fun to do with the kids for a little Easter project.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
So now it is time to go outside and plant our 2 orange trees. They are a 22-inch planter. We added 7 holes into the bottom for drainage. I know citrus likes well-drained soil, so I'm hoping these work out well.
What we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So the Miracle Grow cactus, palm, and citrus soil, I just wanted to show you guys, but you can definitely see that it has some sand in there. It's a much lighter, sandier soil than a typical like organic raised bed gardening mix or something would be.
See, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do.
So here we have our Minneola Tangelo, or this is the Honeybell orange.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
So here's how they're looking. I added some straw on top, just hoping that that's gonna help keep the soil from drying out too much. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We are about to get a rainstorm now, I think, so perfect timing, I guess, to water our new plantings. Yep, the wind is picking up. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below which one of these Easter Dollar Tree DIYs was your favorite, and I will see you guys soon in a new video. Bye!
Even in the